Hey everyone, it's Amy. Today I'm going to be showing you how I created my St. Patrick's Day nails. So I have my nails prepped, filled, and ready to go. And all of the colors of gel I will be using today are from the Madam Glam March launch. This was their Pot of Gold collection. It is so good for St. Patrick's Day. So the first color I'm going to use is 24K, which is this metallic gold glitter. I'm going to paint this on my pinky. The next color I'm going to use is Shamrock Glow. This is a metallic green and gold mixture. I'm going to paint this on my ring finger and my thumb. This color is so gorgeous, so shiny, perfect for St. Patrick's Day. And then the last color I'm going to use is Little Secret. This is like a light green shade. This is good for just kind of all spring long. But of course, green is good for St. Patrick's Day. So I'm going to paint this on my last two nails, the middle finger and the pointer finger. I'm going to go ahead and do a second coat of all of these colors. Next, we're going to go in with some stamping. This is the stamping plate from Maniology. This is M455. This is from their new spring bundle. I'll leave a link to that video as well as the Madam Glam video for all of the good spring releases. And then for stamping polish, I'll be using the black from Maniology. And then the gold is from Clear Jelly Stamper. This is number 51. This is more of a gold that's closer to 24 karat. I do have a gold from Maniology, but is very much a yellow gold. So it didn't quite go with this set. So I pulled the Clear Jelly one. And then the Stamper and Scraper set from Maniology, again from the spring bundle. Go ahead and cleanse all of my nails. We're going to go in with the gold stamping first. On my pointer finger, I'm going to stamp the shamrocks that kind of go into a fade. This is a perfect image for longer nails because my nails are so long that the full images don't fit on the nails. It cuts off, like the tip is still showing through. So the gradient one is actually a perfect one for longer nails because you can't even tell that there was supposed to be any more of the pattern, you know. So I go ahead and put that image on the pointer finger. Then moving on to the black stamping, I'm going to do a black shamrock on my ring finger. I'm going to do this as like a shadow because I want the shamrock to be gold. But the gold straight on top of this glitter polish doesn't show very well, so you almost want like that black outline. So I'll show you how I do kind of like a drop shadow with the black. So I stamped the black shamrock a little off center. And then I also stamp the Best of Luck image in black on my middle finger. Then I go back in to do the gold shamrock. And I'm just going to off-center the shamrock on top of the black just a little bit. So it gives it like a drop shadow, almost an outline type. So that way it does pop and you can see it better on top of that glitter. And now it's time for top coat. I will be using my Light Elegance's Super Shiny. So here's how my nails came out. They are perfect for St. Patrick's Day with all the green and the gold. I feel like this stamping plate from Maniology paired with the pot of gold collection from Madame Glam is just perfect. Like, you have all of the options for different kinds of St. Patrick's Day nails. So I am ready to go for St. Patrick's Day this weekend. Let me know what you guys are wearing on your nails. If you have green, or if you're not into St. Patrick's Day, what are you wearing? Make sure you give this video a big thumbs up if you enjoy my tutorials. Make sure you subscribe for more coming out very soon. Thank you guys so much for watching. We'll see you guys next time. Bye!